Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Edge SEL in Tuxedo black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. It has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder front-wheel drive EcoBoost engine. It also has a panoramic moonroof, as well as a all-weather mat for the cargo area and a cargo net. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you're seeing that nice black leather with the red stitching. As well, you have your lighting controls located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash control, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and the ability to toggle through 2 menus. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, and those 2 menus are going to come up. There we go. And off on the left is your display mode. We're just going to get back in there. I was at the bottom, so display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and they all have submenus. On the other side, we can toggle through, currently on phone, navigation, entertainment as I go up, and you notice the colors change. In the center is a display screen, so it's trying to connect to my phone on the left-hand side. Top right is navigation, bottom right is climate, and bottom left is entertainment. And so you have the choices of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth stereo, SD card, and AV in. You can then go back home and make different choices there as well. There's your CD player and your hazard lights, and below that is your volume and tuner, and there's the fan, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, as well as dual climate control for driver and passenger located on either side here. And so what you were seeing on the display was the heated seats for both driver and passenger. You have an automatic shifter, as well as a couple of cup holders. And then your armrest opens right up. There's a removable bin there, as well as AV line in, SD card, and USB. And lots more storage too. Off to the side is a glove compartment, your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. And then when you want to open up that moonroof, simply push the button and it'll slide right open for you. There's also a screen that comes across if it's just too bright. 18-inch wheels, body color door handle, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera's just below that Ford badge. You also have backup sensors on your bumper and dual exhaust. When you want to open up that hatch, simply put your hand in the latch in the center here, and it opens up easily. Inside, it's nice and roomy. You're seeing hooks for your cargo net, as well as that all-weather mat on the floor. Off to the side is the power release for the back seats to fold them down. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and now your hatch is securely closed. You then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's grab handles in the body and seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the lever at the base of the seat and down it goes. You now have access to the back cargo area with that all-weather mat. There's also anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then easily lift the seat back up with a push. And in the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, there's all-weather mats, and just underneath there is extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and there's air vents in the center there. You've got the grab handles on the body on the other side, as well as hooks, lighting in the back, and those panoramic view moonroof. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.